Mary, do you have a minute? I have a problem.
Sure, John, what is it?
I need to fix a bug in this old code, but I don't understand it. There are no comments, no documentation, nothing.
Who wrote this code?
I don't know. It was here before I joined the company.
Oh, legacy code. That's always a challenge.
I'm afraid to change anything. What if I break something?
I understand. Let's read it together. Slowly.
Okay, look at this part. What does this function do?
It looks like it processes user data, but it's very confusing.
Yes, and this variable name, x2, what does that mean?
No idea. Let's add a comment here so we remember.
Good idea. I'll add notes as we go.
And test every small change. Don't change too much at once.
Right, small steps. That's safer.
Exactly. Legacy code is scary, but we can figure it out together.
Thank you, Mary. I feel better now.
That's what teammates are for. Let's start.